A quick demo of WAN failover on pfSense. So we can see we've got a continuous ping running in the top left there, and that's currently, we can see the gateway status at the bottom center. On WAN 1 is currently online. Now I can just pull the plug on the router here. So WAN 1 here, I've got port 2 configured as WAN 2, and the port 3 is the LAN. So if I just pull the plug, we can see the gateway status is change pretty quick, and we can see the status of the active gateway has dropped down to here, and the ping has just worked, no problems at all. So I'll pop that back in. So that's a fairly obvious fail there. But what happens if the gateway is still reachable and it's a problem further down the line? So I've actually set this up, so if we have a look, that it's actually the gateways are monitoring an external IP. So we can see here that WAN 1 is monitoring Cloudflare DNS, and just to be different, we're using Quad 9 on the WAN 2 connection here. So even if by default a link is considered down if the gateway is not reachable, but of course the gateway could be local on site, and it could be an internet issue or whatever. So changing the monitor IP, just in the edit gateway options here, you can put in another IP address down here and do that. So what I'm going to do is I can simulate that failing by blocking the traffic on the switch it's connected to. So let's get our ping up, so we can see the gateway status is currently online, and we can see our ping running. And if I block the traffic on that port, just doing now, so hit block. Okay, in a second or so, there you go, you can see the loss percentage increasing there, and that status is now going to go into warning packet loss. And don't know if you spotted on the pings, we can see a slight increase in time on one of those, but it's now failed over to the WAN 2 connection. Okay, we can see WAN 1 is offline now due to packet loss. So if I unblock the port now, so the firewall hasn't detected a cable being pulled and the IP disappearing, so it is slightly different. So you can see the packet loss is now decreasing, and it will actually take just a few seconds to work that out. So 64% now loss, 56%. So of the total time, it's now dropping, 47% loss. The traffic's now going through, but it hasn't made that interface active again yet. You go 39, 32, it's dropping quite rapidly now, and we'll see that status go back to a warning, and then it will go green again, and we'll see our traffic graphs over on the right here. You'll see it's the middle one's the WAN 2, bottom one is the LAN, and we'll see the traffic on WAN 2 stop, and then it will pick up again on WAN 1, which for this customer will be a Starlink interface when it gets deployed. So yeah, there, just a quick overview of WAN failover on pfSense, and there you go. You can see the traffic's moved up to the what's called the Starlink interface on the top right there, and continued. So there you go.